Français de San Francisco.
Welcome to the Lycée Français de San Francisco. Come with us as we show you our school.
Welcome to our school. So basically our school was founded in 1967 and then we moved into this building in 2007.
It was originally an orphanage, but then it became a music conservatory.
And then we moved here. This is our art and design rooms. We're gonna go in and show you a little bit like what's in there.
This is our high school room. This is where the high schoolers hang out a lot. And we're not allowed here because we're in middle school, but next year we can go. This is a painting from an artist in Haiti.
Every year we have an artist from a different French-speaking country come and like kind of do a little like painting. It's so beautiful. This is the hallway that leads to our IB office.
Hi girls.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Welcome to our IB office. This is where we collaborate with each department. We have a learning wall where we're focusing our main goals this year on inquiry and student agency. Welcome to the IB office.
This is the amazing wellness center. I love to spend my lunches here. You can get tea, it's really relaxing. There's some incense that I put on sometimes. There's fidget toys. It's just a fun place to hang out with your friends.
And as you can see, the door is also painted from our artist in residence from Haiti. And it's really cool to look at too. This is kind of our basketball court. It's like during recess we go there, everyone kind of plays basketball. You can play some volleyball if you want, it's really fun.
This is our little lunch area. We hang out here during lunches. It's currently recess, so people are just hanging out. And that's a little like fish tank. It's like a little ecosystem for design. Can I have one? Thank you.
This is our rock wall. We do sports. Sometimes we'll just stay here for lunch or snack.
Let's go inside. That way? The couches?
Yeah.
Couches.
We call this our salle polyvalente. Sometimes we'll have lunch here. There'll be little like assemblies for like buffets and stuff during Christmas.
We can eat lunch here. After lunch, we can go sit on the couches and just hang out. We had an assembly here last week.
This is actually kind of a new addition to our school. It came up like kind of in the beginning of our school, so it's a big thing for us and we're really excited to have it. It's so fun to be in and fun to be with our friends here. Here is our auditorium. There's a big stage. We have lots of assemblies here. There's theater shows. Sometimes the like older kids will do like these cool little like theater like
Plays?
plays. So fun. And yeah, we can also use it for clubs sometimes or after school activities, so it's really useful. Okay, now we're gonna go upstairs to college counseling. Are these all the colleges people have gotten in?
Yeah.
Well,
We should have to mention that.
wait, I want to see them. This is our college counseling room. It's used for teacher collaboration, parent meetings, and college counseling stuff.
Yeah. So this is the library.
There's a lot of different books, French and English books, a lot of good resources. There's some mother tongue books, and we can just hang out here after school and study or read books or at lunch or at recess.
This is kind of our podcast room. It's kind of where we do this thing called Rainbow Radio. There's like fun podcasts, and they're really fun. And they get sent out to a lot of our school and we can listen to them, which I think is really cool.
This is our laboratory prep room. It's where we prep all of our experiments. And this is our rainbow hallway,
Which actually leads to the IT room. So the IT room is basically for school we get MacBooks, and sometimes there's like problems like disconnection errors. So we'll go here if we have any problems with that, and it's really useful and really helpful too.
Hi! Welcome to the IT office at the Lycée.
Oh look, we can see the Golden Gate Bridge from here.
That's so cool.
Bonjour.
This is our administration hallway.
And this is finance. They make sure we have all the resources we need to learn. Hi.
Over here we have human resources. They're in a meeting, so we're not going to go in there.
This is our middle school principal.
She's super sweet. And that's it. That's the tour of our school.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.